Baie ouers voel dat die keuse tussen wiskunde en wiskundige geletterdheid die belangrikste keuse is wat hulle kinders in graad 9 moet neem. People are scared to make the wrong decision, whether they must choose mathematics or mathematical literacy. There are a few things that you have to take into account. Mathematics is a far more abstract field, waar wiskundige geletterdheid meer op praktiese probleme fokus. Waar 'n wiskundeleerder baie tyd sou bestee aan hoekgroottes, sal 'n wiskundige geletterdheidleerder beplan hoeveel teëls daar byvoorbeeld gebruik sal word om 'n huis te bou. In wiskunde is daar onderwerpe soos statistiek, analytical geometry, trigonometry, Euclidean geometry, and how to apply these in measurements. You would find, say for instance, the maximum budget you need for a certain building project using calculus. With MathLit, you would tackle everyday problems like budgeting and calculating interest. You have to choose mathematics if you love numbers and if you're considering a career in medicine, research, economics, accounting. The main thing is you must love working with numbers. Met wiskundige geletterdheid gaan dit daaroor om met jou hande te werk, kreatief te wees, met mense te werk, 'n besigheid te begin. Daar's soveel moontlikhede. Die een is nie noodwendig beter as die ander een nie. 'n Belangrike misverstand wat ontstaan is dat mense dink dat as jy wiskundige geletterdheid neem, jy glad nie universiteit toe kan gaan nie. Dit is nie die waarheid nie. Daar's heelwat kursusse waar wiskundige geletterdheid as keuse aanvaar word, sê maar soos in die BA rigtings. If you want to pursue a study direction at a university and you want to choose science, mathematics, medicine, then choose mathematics. Careers that require mathematics require a love and a deep understanding of numbers. With MathLit, you can pursue a career. Say for instance, here's a list: animal production, commercial mixed farming. You can get a bachelor's in arts, in media, in sports psychology. The sky is the limit. A good picture of the difference between mathematics would be the difference between a doctor and a nurse. The doctor would be more involved in research and problem solving, where the nurse would be more hands-on, making a practical difference in people's lives. Do the research. Decide what your child loves. Decide in which direction he wants to go. It's really fake news. Dit is absoluut 'n wanpersepsie, 'n totale vals idee dat as jy wiskundige geletterdheid neem, jou toekoms heeltemal donker lyk en dat al die deure vir jou sal toegaan. Dit is glad nie die waarheid nie. Die waarheid sou wees dat dit net eenvoudig 'n ander rigting is, waar wiskunde vir diegene is wat hou van syfers, meer abstrakte probleemoplossings aanpak, waar wiskundige geletterdheidleerders meer hou van praktiese probleme, hou daarvan om kreatief met hulle hande te werk en 'n verskil te maak in menselewens. I love this picture. For a fair selection, everybody has to take the same exam. Please climb that tree. If you share this with me, the absurdity of this picture, you must realize that forcing your child to take mathematics because of the belief that there are no opportunities out there is ridiculous. Bottom line, if you love numbers, if you get more than 60% for your mathematics in grade 9, if you are prepared to work really hard and put in hours of practice, if the parents are prepared to walk this road with a child and invest in tutoring, lessons, extra lessons, etc., and if you really want to go to university, yes, take mathematics. If you love people and you love working with your hands, if you want to go and study at a technikon, if you want your time to be spent in a more balanced way with cultural activities, sharing time with your friends, then I suggest that you choose MathLit. I hope this video helped.